Hello viewers, now we are going to discuss the concept Demoiver's theorem. So the statement for this is, for an n is an any integer, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Similarly, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of minus n, that is we have to replace n by minus n, so we obtain cos of minus n theta plus I into sin of minus n theta. Therefore we know that cos of minus theta is cos theta itself, that is cos n theta, plus sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, that is plus into minus minus I into sin n theta. So we can conclude that cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n can be written as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Similarly, cos theta plus I sin n theta, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of minus n can be written as cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Now we can solve the VTU question paper problem on this concept. I will take one problem from the VTU question paper. That is, simplify cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta into cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta divided by cos 5 theta plus I sin 5 theta into cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. This is a given problem. We have to use Demoiver's theorem to simplify this one. Solution. We know that by Demoiver's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, it can also be written as cis. This is cis to the power of n. This can also be written as, this is cis to the power of n. Cis means cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n is equal to cis n theta. So now theta whole to the power of n is equal to cis n theta, that is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Next I am using this concept here. This is like cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Here n is 4. So now this can be written as z is equal to, so cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 4. I use this concept. They are given RHS and I took LHS. So into, this is now n is 3. So cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So we can write this as cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 3. Divide by, similarly here, this is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. N is 5. Now use the LHS. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 5. Similarly here, cos n theta plus I sin n theta, n is 2. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 2. Now bases are same, add the powers. So we got cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 4 plus 3 is 7. Divide by cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 5 plus 2 is 7 itself. So these two cancelled. So we obtain z, the simplified form of the complex function is 1.